Hi there, students. Taxonomy. Taxonomy. No, it's not the study of taxes. Taxonomy is the science of naming things. It's the science of naming and organizing things, naming things into groups, giving things different groups, particularly plants and animals. So it's a system where they name plants and animals into groups that share similar qualities. So, for example, in the plant kingdom, we have mosses, liverworts, hornworts, horsetails, ferns, conifers, ginkgos, and flowering plants. And this is part of the taxonomy. So very often a taxonomy is hierarchical. It's like a tree that comes down, and you've got the groups become more and more specific by the very bottom. So the daisy belongs to the flowering plants, yeah, and this is a group of plants. So taxonomy, the classification and naming of things in order to show the relationships between them. In plants and animals, it particularly shows the evolutionary relationship, but taxonomy in itself is the science or the laws or the principles of arranging things into categories. So you could have the taxonomy of literary genres or literary types. Yeah, so you could classify books or stories into different types, and that would be taxonomy. Taxonomy. You could have a taxonomy of smells, or a taxonomy of tastes. What's the taxonomy of taste? It tastes sweet, it tastes bitter, it tastes acid, the taste umami. What are the other tastes? Well, but classifying things into different groups, and that's the idea. It's systematics. It's the general principle of classification, of putting things into different scientific classification, normally the orderly classification of plants or animals, and it helps you see the relationship between these things. But taxonomy, this is the process of naming things, naming things according to their similarities and their differences. Okay, so the taxonomy of a group of plants. I guess you could have a taxonomy of political systems. I guess a taxonomy of vocabulary and language as well. So let's see, taxonomy. This is a fairly formal word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5, maybe 7, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And it comes from French, taxonomy, yeah, but in itself from ancient Greek, taxis, ordering, arrangement, tasso, I arrange, I order. Okay, so it's the ordering of things so that you know what to call them. Taxonomy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Taxonomy.